Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to disable apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Disabling apps can help you stop unnecessary apps from running in the background, save battery, and keep your phone running more smoothly. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is the main place where you can manage most of your device's features, including apps, notifications, display options, and other system controls. Now, scrolling to see the Apps or Applications option. Tap on it to open the Apps page. Here you will see a complete list of all the apps installed on your device, including both system apps and apps you downloaded from the Play Store. Next, scroll through and find the specific app that you want to disable. When you locate the app, tap on it to open the App Info page. This page shows details about the app, such as storage usage, permissions, and notifications. Now see the Disable option on the screen. If the app supports disabling, you will see this option available. Tap on Disable, and a confirmation message may appear on the screen. Tap Disable app again to confirm your action. Once completed, the app will be disabled and it will no longer run or appear in your app drawer. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips and easy tech tutorials.